All right, my friends, today we're unboxing the Crescent Shoulder Bag. And let me just say, when I first saw it, I wasn't exactly doing cartwheels. The material, it's decent, PU leather, but the shape, the retro crescent dumpling with the shiny metal handle definitely gives you some vintage points. This is not your throw everything in and run kind of bag. Nope. It's more like a phone, wallet, keys, okay, maybe a lip gloss if it's feeling generous. The handle looks great, but not adjustable. So you've got one way to carry it, and that's it. So overall, I'm impressed? Not really. But if you're a trendy teen, or maybe a stylish fashionista in your friend group, you're probably going to love this bag. And for everyone else, well, let's just call it one fashionable accessory. Not an everyday hero. And as always, enjoy.